Hello everyone, welcome to IITN's GATE classes. So today's session, it will be a job notification session. So recently Bharat Dynamic Limited, a Mini Ratna Category 1 public sector enterprise, has released notification for management trainees. So let us then begin today's session. So those who want to apply for the management trainee post, so you can see the opening date and the closing date of application. So application, it will open on 4th of July 2021 and it will close on 19th of July 2021 at 11 p.m. So let us check all the eligibilities and the vacancies. So you can see for management trainee electronics there are 12 seats. For mechanical there are 9 vacancies. For electrical there are 3 vacancies. For civil you have 3, computer science 2 and optics 1. So category wise breakup is also given for each of the management trainees, and the scale in which you will be placed, it is from 40,000 to 1,40,000 or 10.52 lakh CTC on the absorption once you get absorbed in the MT grade. Okay. So talking about age limit and age relaxation, so you can see for management trainee post, the maximum age limit for general and EWS candidate, it is 27, for OBC it is 30, for SC/ST it is 32 respectively. So talking about qualification and post qualification experiences, so for management trainee electronics, you are required to have a first class bachelor's degree in electronics if you are interested to apply from management trainee electronics. Even 5-year integrated course or dual MTech or BTech is also eligible for this post. Now for mechanical also it is the same, only thing being you need a bachelor's degree in mechanical. For electrical you need the bachelor's degree in electrical. For civil you require the bachelor's degree in civil engineering. For computer science, the degree required is your bachelor's degree in computer science. So here I want to clarify a small thing, that information technology, it is not taken here. Okay, so only computer science, pure computer science students are eligible to apply under management trainee from computer science division. Okay. So for management trainee optics, you can see the requirement is first class MSc degree in physics, applied physics with specialization in optics, applied optics, fiber optics, laser and optoelectronics, or MSc MTech in engineering physics with specialization in photonics or equivalent course from a recognized university and institute. Okay. So here first class means what? They have also defined what is first class. First class to be read as 60% mark in aggregate for unreserved OBC and EWS candidates, and for other candidates it is 55% mark of aggregate, that is for SC/ST candidates. So here this is a very important point. So candidates appearing or appeared in the final year semester of the qualifying course of students are also eligible to apply for management trainee post. Okay. So here the next condition is given, what? Candidate must possess mark sheet, memos and course completion certificate with requisite percentage of mark in the essential at the time of interview. So final year candidates, final semester students are also eligible to apply. The condition being that you need to have your mark sheet, your degree, your provisional degree by the time of interview. If you are unable to produce those documents, your candidature, it will be cancelled. So these are all simple points. Now the equivalent qualification or the disciplines. So here you can see under mechanical management trainee, all the branches are eligible to apply. You can see there are in total 9 branches. So mechanical engineering, industrial and production engineering, mechanical production and tool engineering, production technology, manufacturing engineering, production and industrial engineering, manufacturing technology, aerospace engineering and aeronautical engineering, they are compiled under mechanical engineering. So under electrical, you can see electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electrical instrumentation and control engineering, they are compiled. Under electronics, you can see electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, electronic design and technology engineering, applied electronics engineering and electronics telecommunication engineering, as well as electronics and control engineering. For computer science, only computer science engineering is there, none of the other branches are there. As I have told you, information technology is not there. Okay. So for management trainee, you don't require any work experience, so it is a fresher post. So those applicants who have completed degree or BTech after your diploma, so they should also provide the diploma details while filling up the application form. So let us now talk about selection process. So selection process for the post of management trainee, there will be a written test, a computer based online test, as well as interview. Okay, so those of you, those are fulfilling the eligibility criteria, they will be called for computer based online test. So candidates, you are required to appear for the CBT, and the date, time and venue, it will be mentioned in the admit card, and your admit card, it will be sent to you via your email ID and your mobile number, means your SMS. Okay. So talking about the structure of CBT exam, so CBT exam, it will be of 2 hours duration, and there will be 2 parts comprising of 150 multiple choice questions. So first part, it will be from your BTech degree, okay, so your subject and discipline, and part 2, it will be more of generalized things, so aptitude questions will be asked in that. Okay, so 150 questions, 2 hours. So question, if I talk about difficulty of questions, so it will be not that much put the formula, get the result kind of question, or it will be theoretical questions. Okay, so no need to prepare anything more hard kind of like in the GATE questions. Don't prepare like that. I will be saying very simple questions will be asked. So now talking about the weightage assigned to the CBT and the interview mark, it is 85% mark, it will be to your CBT exam, and 15% mark, it will be to your interview marks. But you need to qualify in both the CBT and the interview to get the seat. It is not like that you only qualify in the written examination and then you fail to get the minimum marks in your interview, then your candidature, it will be cancelled. Okay. So for candidates, they are going to be called in the ratio of 7:1, that is for each seat 7 candidate will be called for interview. So talking about the test centers, so test centers they have already given: Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Visakhapatnam, and there might be more cities also depending on the number of candidates applying. So pay and perk, if you see, so management trainee, you are going to be given 40,000 stipend, minimum basic pay will be given till the time you are absorbed in the company, and there is also allowances, you can read it yourself, all this thing. So talking about medical standards, so you have to, once you clear your CBT test and your interview, you will be called for medical examination. There your candidature, it will be subject of being found that you are medically fit. Okay. So now talking about application fee, there is a 500 rupees application fee for your general candidates, OBC candidates, as well as EWS candidates. SC, ST, PWD and ex-servicemen candidates, they are exempted from paying the fees, and the application fee, it is a non-refundable fees. Now general conditions, some of the general conditions are Indian nationals are quite obviously eligible to apply for this. Age, qualification and experience, it is as should be on 18th May 2021. Okay, so your age, determining the age, your qualification and experience, it will be on this date, and rest all, it is very simple, no other things that are required for management trainee. So point number 19 states that wherever you have got letter grading, so you need to produce what? You need to produce a document certifying from your university that you are you have got what is the conversion for getting the letter to percentage. Okay, so minimum percentage of marks in the essential qualification for any post is as per university rules. So mandatory documents, so this thing if you read, none means this is valid for other post, it is not valid for management trainee, because it is written over here. Candidates applying for management trainee post are not required to send any of the above document to Bharat Dynamics. They should save the registration slip, and after submission of online application you should be saving that application form, and at the time of interview you are going to be asked to bring in all the original your certificates for document verification. So how to apply? So online portal, it will be open from your 4th of July 2 p.m. and it will close on 19th of July 11 p.m. and you have to apply online on using this website. Okay, and this thing, it is not for us. I told you already that management trainee, you are not required to send any documents. So these are the important dates, and tentative date, so it will be updated on the company website within a short period. So most probably in the month of August or September first week your examinations it will be conducted. So be prepared, start preparing for that. Okay, so with this we end this today's session. I hope you people have enjoyed the session. If you have done so, please press the thumbs up button as well as share this video with your friend, and kindly subscribe to our channel. Okay, then see you in the next session. Thank you.